Welcome to our journey through the cosmos, where we'll explore the most dangerous places in the universe that you should never visit. Space is vast and beautiful, full of swirling nebulae, glittering star clusters, and perhaps even other life out there. But it's also trying to kill you, okay? Maybe not actively trying, but trust me, the universe has a few spots where even the most advanced life forms wouldn't last very long. So buckle up, space adventurers, as we take a thrilling, chilling ride to the universe's deadliest destinations. You know, just so you know where not to book your next vacation. Black holes. Just the name conjures up images of cosmic monsters, right? And you know what? They kind of are. Imagine a place with such intense gravity, a pull so strong that not even light can escape its clutches. That's a black hole. Now, picture yourself, intrepid explorer that you are, approaching this beast. You'd be drawn in, spiraling closer and closer to the black hole's gaping maw, a region called the event horizon. It's the ultimate point of no return. Cross the event horizon and you'd be saying goodbye to the universe as you know it. Inside, the laws of physics as we understand them break down. Time and space themselves become distorted. As you fall deeper into the black hole, the immense gravity would stretch you out like cosmic spaghetti, a process scientists aptly call spaghettification. Not a pleasant way to go, is it? But here's the kicker. You wouldn't even realize you're being stretched. Because of the way gravity warps time, an outside observer would see you frozen in time, forever nearing the event horizon but never quite reaching it. So, black holes. Absolutely fascinating, utterly terrifying, and a place where you definitely don't want to get too close. Neutron stars. They're the cosmic remnants of massive stars that have gone supernova, leaving behind these incredibly dense objects. Imagine cramming a star more massive than our sun into a sphere the size of a city. That's the kind of density we're talking about. On a neutron star, the gravitational pull is so strong, so extreme, that it literally crushes atoms together. Protons and electrons are forced to merge, forming a sea of neutrons, hence the name neutron star. Now, let's say hypothetically you could stand on the surface of a neutron star. First of all, you'd be instantly flattened like a pancake. But let's ignore that for a moment and talk about the other, equally unpleasant effects. The gravity on a neutron star is about 200 billion times stronger than what we experience on Earth. Your weight would increase by a factor of billions. You'd be heavier than a mountain, and if the gravity doesn't get you, the magnetic fields will. Neutron stars possess incredibly powerful magnetic fields, trillions of times stronger than Earth's. These fields can warp and twist the fabric of space-time itself. So, while beautiful and intriguing from a safe distance, neutron stars are definitely not places you want to set foot on. Supernovae, the universe's most spectacular fireworks display and also one of its deadliest. These stellar explosions mark the end of a star's life, a final brilliant burst of energy before it fades away or collapses into a black hole. Now let's be clear, you wouldn't want to be anywhere near a star going supernova. When a star explodes, it releases an unfathomable amount of energy, more energy than our sun will produce in its entire lifetime. This energy is released in the form of intense radiation, gamma rays, X-rays, you name it. It's like every single tanning bed in the universe simultaneously firing at you. Not a good look. If you were close enough to witness a supernova up close, the radiation would fry you instantly, vaporize you. You'd be gone before you even knew what hit you, and the blast wouldn't stop there. The shockwave from a supernova can travel across vast distances of space, sweeping up gas and dust, triggering the birth of new stars, but also destroying anything in its path. So, while beautiful from afar, supernovae are definitely something you want to admire from a very, very safe distance, like a few hundred light years away. At least. Gas giants, like our own solar system's Jupiter, might seem beautiful with their swirling clouds and colourful bands. But don't let that serene exterior fool you. These massive planets are anything but hospitable. For starters, there's no solid surface to speak of. You just keep falling deeper and deeper into the planet's atmosphere, which is made up mostly of hydrogen and helium. As you descend, The pressure would increase dramatically, squeezing you from all sides. The temperatures would soar, reaching thousands of degrees. You'd be cooked and crushed simultaneously. And let's not forget about the storms. Gas giants are known for their violent and long-lasting storms. Jupiter's Great Red Spot, for example, is a storm larger than Earth that has been raging for centuries. Imagine being caught in winds that whip around at hundreds of miles per hour. You'd be tossed and turned like a rag doll in a hurricane from hell. So, while gas giants might look tempting from afar, with their mesmerizing swirls and colors, remember that beneath that beauty lies a world of crushing pressure, scorching temperatures and storms that make Earth's hurricanes look like gentle breezes. Stars, the building blocks of galaxies, giant balls of plasma held together by their own gravity, powered by nuclear fusion in their cores. And it's those cores, those stellar furnaces, that are the most extreme environments in the universe. Imagine a place where the temperatures reach millions, even billions of degrees. At these temperatures, atoms can't even exist in their normal state. They're stripped of their electrons, forming a sea of charged particles called plasma. And it's here, in this unimaginably hot and dense plasma, that nuclear fusion takes place. Hydrogen atoms are fused together under immense pressure, creating helium and releasing a tremendous amount of energy in the process. It's this energy that makes stars shine, that bathes our planet in warmth and light. But get too close to the core of a star and you'd be instantly vaporized. The temperatures and pressures would be far too extreme for any known form of matter to survive. You'd be gone in a flash of energy, a brief blip in the vast cosmic symphony. So, while we owe our very existence to the energy produced in stellar cores, it's best to admire these nuclear furnaces from a safe distance. Thanks for joining us on this perilous journey through the universe. Remember, while these places are fascinating to learn about, they're best admired from a safe distance here on Earth. The universe is a place of both incredible beauty and terrifying extremes. And while we continue to explore and unravel its mysteries, some places are best left undisturbed. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, appreciate the vastness of space, the wonder of the cosmos. But remember, some things are better observed from afar. Stay curious, my friends, but stay safe.